Happy morning, children. Today we are going to revise the topic quadratic equation. But before that, the terms related to the lesson, the degree of the polynomial, we have studied in 9th standard. So we will just revise this. The given polynomial 2x raised to 7 minus 5x plus 9, which is the highest power of the variable. So here the variable is x. I told you letters are called as variables. And here see x is given and the power is 7. And here the power is 1, and here for a constant the power is 0. So 7, 1, 0, they are the powers. So highest power is 7. So degree of this polynomial is 7. The highest power is 7. So in case of a polynomial in one variable is one only, that is x. The highest power of the variable is called as the degree of the polynomial. So in 9th standard only we have studied, see the example given here. 2y square plus y plus 1, comma minus 3x square. Here the highest power is 2. So the degree is 2. Here only one term is there, highest power is 2, degree is 2. So a polynomial having highest power as 2, that highest power is called as the degree. And the polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. So the quadratic polynomial, how we will find out whether it's a quadratic polynomial or a linear polynomial, which we studied last year also. For a linear polynomial, degree is 1. In our first lesson, linear equation in two variable, I explained you all. Degree is 1. So a linear polynomial. And the standard form of the polynomial is ax plus b, linear polynomial. But the standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Very important. So if you see quadratic equations, how well 9th and 10th portion is correlated. The first example is activity. Classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic. So if it's linear, you will have degree as 1. And if it is quadratic polynomial, you will have degree as 2. So I have already written this. 3x minus 7. Here degree is 1. Degree is 1. Linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, highest power, that is degree is 2. Degree is 2. Degree is 2. I have already classified and have written the answer. So if we are equating the quadratic polynomial to 0, then it becomes a quadratic equation. So the standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But it is very important to remember that a is not equal to 0. Okay, suppose a becomes 0, then 0 into x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. 0 into x square is 0, so you will have only bx plus c. Then the equation reduces to linear equation in one variable. So the condition that a should not be equal to 0. B can be 0, C can be 0. This is the concept of quadratic equation. So if you want to identify whether you want to know which equation is a quadratic equation, first thing is this A should not be equal to 0 and the degree of the given equation should be 2. Then it is going to be a quadratic equation. So some examples also can be taken. This activity based exercise, you can solve it in your activity book. Very simple it is. Write the question and like this you can make a rectangle and in that you can write. Now coefficient meaning I already explained you all. Variable means letter, coefficient means number. So here this activity, simple activity is given, that also you do it in your book. Coefficient of x square. Here you can see coefficient of x square. Here there is 1. Here coefficient of x square 3. Here 5. So like this you can complete. Then coefficient of x. Here it is 3. Here minus 5 and 0. Means if you are having only 5x square, you can always write it as 5x square plus 0x plus 0. It is not going to change any value. So you can write it. And now constant terms. As I said, C is called as a constant because there is only number. If we are writing, we use the word constant. So here the constant is minus 5, 0 and 0 that I have written. See, the constant term of second and third polynomial is 0. Means if you are not having, you can always write it as 0. Because for the second and third, only here you are having two terms. And the standard form we have written ax square plus bx plus c. So 3x square minus 5x can be written as 3x square minus 5x plus 0. You can write it like this. Then third, that c becomes 0. Now here only 5x square is there. So 5x square, we are not changing any value, is equal to 5x square plus 0x plus 0. So if you are going to compare with the standard form of a, we studied quadratic polynomial. Till here the example is related to quadratic polynomial they have given, right? So 5x square is equal to, this we can write. So your a here will be 5 and b will be 0 and c will also be 0. So all this example, meaning of coefficient, constant, these all basics you should know. Then comes the standard form. So I already explained here. What is the standard form? When I am equating the quadratic polynomial to 0, I get a quadratic equation. This is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. See, the equation involving one variable. Variable should be 1 and having 2 as the maximum index. So the other word which we studied in 9th standard is maximum index, means the degree should be 2. Okay, of the is called as the quadratic equation. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And now you should be able to write this. Now in the form of polynomial, now it's given in the form of an equation. So complete the following table. Now x square minus 4 is given. Now x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now general form, what we studied, it is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So which term is missing? Here x square minus 4 means first term is given, third term, only constant term is there. Middle one is missing, so we can write it as x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. And this equation you compare with this equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So a will be 1. Here there is 1 is the coefficient. B will be here 0. So we will write 0. And c is minus 4. So like that you should be able to write it down. So the first example you can see here, x square minus 4 is equal to 0, x square plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. A is 1, B is 0 and C is minus 4. The second one given is y square is equal to 2y minus 7. This one. Now this what you will do here for this one. Y square, these two terms you have to take it to LHS. No sign means plus. So it will become minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Because to the right you should get, for a quadratic equation, 0 you want. So all the terms have to be taken to LHS. So when you will compare with the standard form, what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here nothing is there means 1. Here the variable is y, the variable is x. Now we want to write the values of a, b and c. So compare. A means here it is 1. B is minus 2 and C is 7. So this way you should complete this activity. Quadratic equation, general form, the values of A, B and C. This all you should write it in your activity book.